Revance Therapeutics, ticker RVNC, is down 26% as we're recording this video. Now, what are the key levels we want to be paying attention to today? So, to quickly go on to the supports, because again, we are selling off, even though right now it is getting bought into. If we do continue lower, we only really have one key layer of support, which is somewhat close to where we are, and that's going to be around $8. So $8, you're going to have the the second deviation from the 6 month, which is this blue dashed line, and then you've also got the third deviation from the 1 year at $8.10. So again, two really strong supports if we're able to make that kind of push down on this stock. So paying attention to that, and we do actually have one more support, but very far off, so not really too focused on that. That's going to be at $2. I mean, that's just going to be if this stock gets absolutely smashed, then we could be paying attention to that. But again, very far off. So I think the main focus now is if we kind of get a second leg down, we could be looking at an $8 support. But as of right now, kind of in no man's land. Don't really want to be buying a stock like this. I'm not going to be buying unless we get down to that kind of low. Now, what are some resistances or targets we can be paying attention to? So again, if we were long anywhere, long bias anywhere on this gap, our average is below here. We're going to really be targeting the second deviation from the 1 year and first deviation from the 6 month, which again is going to be at $13.80 to $14.25. So kind of a key range of resistance where if you look long bias now, that could definitely be a good target to be paying attention to. Now, if we go high, we have our next level around 1660. This is going to be that gap fill from basically yesterday. So always paying attention to that, because again, if this is going to continue to sell off, sometimes you can come back, retest the gap fill, and then you do that continuation to the downside. And just to quickly note, one resistance high, just in case we do get bought up and break the gap fill location, our next deviational level will be at $19.50 as that next strong resistance. But again, the stock is more selling off as of right now, down about 25%. So it's more paying attention to if we can hit $8, then I'm more long bias on this stock. Really, unless we come down to this level, I'm personally not going to be trading it. But if you were long now, really just targeting kind of that $14 range.